What's up, everybody? Southern Illinois Hef coming to you from the garage tonight. I want to do a little product spotlight, a little showcase on one of my parts that I got on this bike that I love. It's kind of a review, it's kind of a shout out to them, but Thumper Moto. If you've seen my channel, if you've seen my posts, you know that I'm promoting them guys all the time. But I kind of want to do a little bit in-depth review of the pipe, just to give everybody a little more what it is. So, fully stainless. Mine is polished at Polished Here Local. Perry Polishing, Lawrenceville. You've seen them, me promote them before, bring them up before. But on the pipe, starts out coming out of the head at 1 3/4 inches. And then your second step, here and here, 1 7/8. And then it goes to 2 inch. 3 steps, folks, 3-step pipe. And then it runs 2 inch all the way back to the collector and then out the muffler. The back pipe and the front pipe are equal length to give you equal back pressure. And if you don't realize, M8s love back pressure. From Gen 1s to this Gen 2, the M8 motors like their back pressure. If you don't have the back pressure, you lose out on that torque. This pipe has it. It has both. It has torque, it has looks, it has quality, and it has sound. As you'll see here in a little bit in the video, I'm going to get some sound clips. Still learning the camera a little bit, but I got some sound clips. I got some that have wind noise in them, a couple pulls. I'm going to try to get a couple better ones here as soon as I figure out how to get the wind noise out of it. But shout out to them. I was one of the early ones that was able to get one of these pipes. It's a local company out of Columbus, Indiana. Handmade, American-made company, fully stainless, 2-in-1, M8 touring. Trust me, you won't be disappointed in this pipe. Sounds great. They have the option of, if you want to get it polished, you can. Or you can leave it to stainless and let it get colored that way. Mine's holding up phenomenal. A+ pipe. Very glad I got it. I purchased the Thunder header for this bike when I bought it. Nothing against Thunder header. I talked to Joe. We worked out this pipe. I drove clear to Columbus, Indiana. About 3 hours for me. Went over there, seen where they were made, seen where they were welded, seen the process. Gave me a couple demos on a couple other pipes that they had in the shop on their bikes. Joe runs the same. He runs a 24 Road Glide, same as mine. Stage 2, 511 Screaming Eagle cam. I was super impressed. It was a no-brainer to go with this pipe. Sold the Thunder header, and I haven't regretted my choice since. So, if you got any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Look up Thumper Moto on Instagram, on Facebook, TikTok. He's on all the platforms. Like I said, it's a small company. There's not a lot of these pipes out there yet, but there will be. Once the name gets out, they're going to become popular. I know there's other similar pipes out there, and everybody's going to say, well, it's a copy of this, it's a copy of that. It's not. They were one of the first, even as a small company, to do a 3-stage pipe. So there are others that are very similar. I'm not going to mention those companies. You can go out and find them because you'll see them. They're on the internet. But overall, very happy with this pipe. I wouldn't trade it for another one. It sounds better every time I ride. I can't wait to get out to Sturgis, put on some serious miles, see how it holds up. I got 1,700 miles in this pipe right now. And like I said, it just keeps getting better. So, if you got any questions, reach out to me, reach out to Thumper Moto on any of their social media platforms. They are available at different dealerships. Right now, Cannonball Harley-Davidson in Terre Haute, Indiana. has them for sale. Man's Harley-Davidson has them for sale. But if you reach out to Thumper Moto, he can hook you up through there also. Or reach out to me and we'll make it happen. I'd love to be able to sell a couple of those and help that company grow. So, short one tonight. Stay tuned as the video continues on. We're going to go out. We're going to get some ride video. I was able to get it in yesterday. So this is kind of part 2 of the video. Yesterday was a beautiful day. Unfortunately, today it's been humid and rain all day. So let's go out. Let's get some audio of this pipe. You can see it going down the road. Let me know what you think. Good or bad, let me know what you think. I love it. Very happy to run it. Very happy to promote their company. So without further ado, let's go get some sound. What's up, everybody? Putting out another little video here tonight. Let's get some good quality sound clips of this Thumper Moto pipe. Do a little review. See what y'all think. Thumper Moto, 2-in-1, full stainless, polished, 3-step pipe. Not very many companies make that. Small company based out of Columbus, Indiana. Phenomenal company, phenomenal quality. Give a shout out to Prairie Polishing, who polished this pipe up. We're gonna make it look better this winter. So let me mount this thing up and let's get some sound clips.